Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming permissions and reducing variables. First, open WhatsApp and record a short test voice note. This verifies the app can access your microphone. Once done, close other audio apps and put the phone in airplane mode briefly to avoid interruptions. Make sure you're in a quiet spot and use headphones if background noise persists. These immediate steps rule out common permission or interference issues, so you can focus on the actual fix without wasting time. Now you'll isolate the source. You should toggle between internal mic and headset to see if one works. This tells you whether hardware or app is at fault. Next, clear WhatsApp cache in settings or reinstall the app if files appear corrupted. This often restores recording functions. Once you've applied that, test sending to a different contact and try Wi-Fi versus mobile data. If recordings work in one scenario but not another, you've pinpointed whether it's network or device related. Finish by resetting network settings or toggling Bluetooth if audio routes incorrectly. This often clears stubborn routing problems. Make sure your phone OS is updated. If the issue began after an update, consider rolling back or waiting for a patch. Once configured, record and send multiple short notes to confirm consistent performance. If things still fail, boot into safe mode and test. Third-party apps or permission managers can block the mic, and safe mode reveals whether an app is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.